Okay, we need
You do the top part first. You do that first.
this one here. I can get that for you. He just asked me if give him, so in order to make so everybody's moving, I'm gonna give him the panel measurement so he can get everything prepped. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my lower gambrel piece put in there, my pitch change panel metal. Yes, I'm gonna cut it down and get that bent around. There's two little bends to do. Caleb, you can actually get started on that while I finish screwing this. Actually, why don't you come up here and screw this? Get this cut off, flush. There's a drill. This gets you cut off. This here. So what you want to happen is when you bring this panel up, you want this here to slide in here as well. So you take this piece here and cut them back just a little bit and then create up at a wedge. Make sure this here at the top end is flush and then down here is back in a little bit. That way when you go and move this on there, you don't have to fight the outside edge. So you go ahead and get this cut. You can get this guy cut to put on here then. I need to get a measurement first. What do you have?
96 and 7.
96 and 7/8. So we have a sidewall here. And so we're going to have our lower gambrel that's going to tie in a sidewall, and then on that end it's going to go over a rake. So there's some prepping you have to do on this to make so it's all ready. This here part here, we're going to bend it up the side, and that side over there we're going to bend it down. That way it covers up all the indiscrepancies on that end there. Closes that off, makes everything look neat. So these only have 1.25 inch bending depth. If you want to get wider ones, you can. I'm okay with using this because I'll have a trim that goes over top. It just gives me a little bit of metal that will go on the wall. That way when I bring my sidewall up, it creates a nice spot where if water or anything would happen to get in there, which you will have it sealed, we'll hit that there and it can't just walk on back. You'll have to actually go uphill, like up the wall. Get this bent. So where our hem is the bottom side, so I want to bend this up last, or this up first. No, you bend the top up first and the bottom up last. that? Yeah, just make sure it slides, that reverse J slides inside of it. So that side here, it's bent up to go up the sidewall. This distance on the reverse J, you want to make sure that that lower gambrel, when it comes over, it bends and covers all the way down and is onto the fascia. So in this instance, since we're doing 1-inch rib, that piece of reverse J is measuring 1.25 inches. We're going to go 2 inches. What's that? The butyl tape. Just run it on right on the outside edge. Just make sure you have it in just a little bit. Okay, can you see right this? There's butyl tape coming out right here. So what happened here is our butyl tape was too close to the edge. So you want to make sure you hold your butyl tape in, even at just 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch even would be fine, because your screw's back here and you need to create that barrier to make so that that stuff is, don't want it oozing out because that doesn't look pretty, but you want it in there. So if you go and have it about 1/2 inch in from the edge, then you should keep that from happening. So I'm not cutting off this hem. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to crimp them flat. Before we do that, we'll trim up this bottom side just a touch. So when we do crimp it flat, he's not hiding out. Now you're just going to cut right where that crease is, right up to the line. So this top side, bring that rake here. So your rake measures 2 inches as well. So this top side, the upper part of your lower gambrel, we went 2 inches here, but you want to make sure that panel, this here trim piece here, is shorter. That way when your rake comes down over top, this here piece isn't sticking out below it.
Hey, thanks for checking out these videos. Hope what you learned was very valuable for you. If you've got any questions or comments or would like to see something else, please reach out on our email or on our website. Thank you.